The objective of the PACER test is for students to run as long as possible with continuous movement back and forth across a 20-meter gymnasium space at a specified pace that gets faster with each passing minute. A 15-meter version has also been developed for teachers with smaller facilities. Administering the PACER requires a flat, non-slippery surface at least 20 meters long. If you do not have adequate indoor space, you can use an outdoor area. Mark the course with marker cones to indicate lanes, and use tape, chalk, cones, or painted court lines at each end. Allow students to select a partner. Have students who are being tested line up behind the start line. Here you see partners who are counting laps sitting in a designated space next to the course. Each student being tested should run across the full marked distance and cross the line with both feet by the time the next tone sounds. At the sound of the tone, each student turns around and runs back to the other end. If students get to the line before the tone, they must wait for the tone before running in the other direction. A tone sounds at the end of the time allowed for each lap, and a different tone sounds at the end of each level. The second tone serves the same function as the lap tone and also alerts runners that the pace will get faster. Inform students that when the different tone sounds, they should not stop, but should continue the test by turning and running toward the other end of the area. The first time that a student does not reach the line before the tone sounds, the student stops and reverses direction immediately, attempting to get back on pace. This lap constitutes a form break, but is counted as a complete lap for ease in test administration. The test is considered complete as of the next time, that is, the second time, the student fails to reach the line before the tone sounds. The two misses do not have to be consecutive. The test is over after 2 total misses.
Great job.
Upon completing the test, the student should continue to walk and then stretch in the designated cool-down area. The scorer records lap numbers by crossing off each lap number as it is completed on a PACER individual score sheet. Thus, the recorded score indicates the total number of laps completed by the student.
68.